These practice questions are all about factors and multiples. Now you need to remember that factors are numbers that are smaller than the number that you are given, and multiples are bigger. But a very interesting fact that you might want to just consider is that whatever number you are working with, take any number, that number is its own biggest factor, but also its own smallest multiple. Because multiples you get by multiplying by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, etc., etc. Whereas factors are the numbers that you need to multiply with each other to get to this number. But if you take any number and you multiply it by 1, then you've got the number back, which means it is its own biggest factor. But if you multiply it by 1, you also get the same number back, which means it is its own smallest multiple. So just something very interesting about factors and multiples. But the important thing is to remember that factors are smaller and multiples are generally bigger. And then in this exercise, we also talk about prime factors. Now, a prime factor is that factor of any number that is also a prime number. Now, remember, a prime number in its own right only has two factors, one and itself. That is what a prime number is. When you look at the factors of any number, and any of those factors are also prime numbers, we call them prime factors. And you need to distinguish between those. Then the rest of the questions are just pretty much all about factors and multiples that you need to answer in different contexts. And then right at the end, there's a question about product of prime factors. What you need to remember there is that the word product means multiply. So you will take this number, the 32, and you need to take the factors that you can multiply with each other to get to 32, but those factors can only be prime numbers. So you can use one number more than once, obviously, but you need to multiply a number, a prime number, with another prime number, with another prime number, until you get to 32. And that will then be the product of prime factors.